Let's wrap this up the way we started, with the truth. Most founders don't fail because of product. They fail because they don't know how to sell consistently. They try LinkedIn posts, they try cold emails, they hire a freelancer, they fire a freelancer. They try automation tools, then they switch tools. 6 months go by, you've got a few conversations, maybe a pilot, but no real pipeline, no predictability, no system. This playbook exists for one reason: to help founders build a real outbound engine, even if they have no sales team. If you're trying to hit $100,000 to $1 million in revenue, you don't have time to figure it all out from scratch. This playbook gives you a clear path from 0 to 10 to 20 B2B clients, exact steps to define your ICP and offer, how to build your dream 100 accounts, how to use LinkedIn email content calls properly, what tools to use and how to set them up, what to say, how to track, and how to close, and most importantly, it helps you stop guessing. I have built and sold 2 startups, helped 200 plus companies build this outbound engine, scaled hyperly to almost 600 plus users within 120 days. And I run outbound every day, not as a coach, but as a founder closing deals. This playbook is not theory, it's everything I have learned, packaged it into something you can use today. If you're a founder trying to hit revenue fast, but you don't want to hire $100,000 VP sales yet, this playbook is for you.